Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to you in science class. How are you, boys?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Mishari. How are you? Open your books, page
Fine,
84.
teacher. How are you?
I'm fine.
Teacher, what is page?
Page 84.
Okay, teacher.
Next week, you will have quiz exams. So, first periodic exams for second term. So, we will revise today. Okay. Unit number 4.
يستاذ يعني الأسبوع الجاي الاختبارات النهائية.
Nihai.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
What do you mean by Nihai? First periodic, I said.
يعني last
First periodic for second term. Any fourth periodic, actually. You have 6 periodic exams in as total.
yeah.
So it's fourth periodic, not Nihai. The basic thing is you should know unit number 4. It should be from unit number 4 exam. Which is about electrical conductors and insulators. Open page 84.
السلام عليكم.
Alaikum salam. Abdul Aziz, Saud, Mishari, and Muhammad. Loi is there now. If you have any kind of confusion, you can ask now. Because you had a lot of mistakes I saw yesterday. So you should ask if you have any confusion about conductors and insulators. Mostly.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So most of the things were insulators you wrote as conductors, like clothes, plastic bottle or plastic rubber or anything that are, those are not conductors, those are insulators. Because we use plastic in wires to cover them, not to conduct the electricity or current. We use copper to conduct electricity. Okay.
السلام عليكم.
Alif Salam. So making and breaking circuits are there in your topic on page 84 in your book. Predict and test the effects of making changes in the circuit. Okay, changes the circuit. Predict what happens, what will happen before you make a change to a circuit. Make the change and see what happens. Okay, we will just answer the questions now. We did it before. We are just revising. Okay, unit number 4 for exam next week, inshallah. Okay, a question is, you have here question number 1. What will happen if you increase the number of batteries? यानी لو انت تدخل بطارية زيادة, what will happen? Yes, who will answer? If you increase the number of batteries, what will happen?
The price will go down.
Sorry, again.
I said like the battery, I mean the light will increase.
Okay. Anyone else? Firas, Mashari, Loai, Mojud, mashallah, 7 students. Wala bas Muhammad Azari. Mashari, now you can't hear me?
Yes.
So give me the answer for the question. If you
Teacher, what's a question? question.
You are not in the class, Mishari. Listen to me carefully. Rakkis ya habibi. When you
Okay.
question number, I told you page 84, question number A. This is A. What will happen if you increase the number of batteries? Yani law inta di battery zyada. If you increase the number of batteries, what will happen?
It will be. It
Firas,
will be. Teacher, I don't know the answer.
so you should know, na? This is first page 84. So you should know the answer. Where is your book? Bring your book, page 84. Open it.
Okay.
Saud, are you there? Abdulaziz, Firas, Loy, Zia.
Yes, teacher, I'm there.
Yes, where is your book, Abdulaziz? Do you have book? So the flow of electricity will increase and the bulbs or bulbs will be brightened. It's mean they will become brighter because you are increasing the number of batteries. It's mean you are increasing the number of the amount of electricity, because from the battery you get electricity. So when you increase battery, you are increasing electricity. If you will be with me, Zia, and everybody else, you will understand. If you are playing on your computer, you will not understand. So Rakis, be with me because you have
جبت الكتاب بس.
because you
رحت جبت
have
الكتاب.
exam next week.
هلا.
Teacher, I know the answer.
I told you the answer now. Now it's in vain. So next question. What will happen if you increase the length of wires? Length of wires means what? Like this was your circuit, okay? But you increased the wire, it means you are making the circuit long or lengthy. It means you increase the number of the length of wire. So what will happen? The electricity, yani current, will have to flow a lot. Here it was flowing a little and now it will flow a lot, right? So the bulb will be less brightened. Yani noor easy shoya, yani the light will be, the bulb will give you less light. Okay, but here it will give you more light because the length is less, so you will get more electricity. But here electricity has to flow a lot, so it will give you less light. Any problem in these two questions? Anybody? In these two questions, you have any question, any problem? If you increase the number of batteries, you will get more electricity and the bulbs will be brighter. If you increase, hello sir. Yeah, I will come and tell you. And the second question is, what will happen if you increase the length of wires? Length of wires, you will get less light. Okay, now we will move towards next page.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so page 85. Page 85. Here you have two questions, right?
Teacher, I know the answer of the question number one.
Wait for me, okay? When I ask, you can answer. What will happen to the brightness of a bulb if the wire is thicker? Thicker means what? Like this is the wire, okay? It's thin. It's thinner, not thicker. So if you make it like this is thick, right? You got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the difference. If you have thinner wire and if you have thicker wire. The question is about the wire is thicker. Thicker means what? This one. This wire. So if the wire is thicker, you will get, yes.
I know the answer.
Yes, Mishari, Fadda.
The bulb will be
Will be brighter, right?
brighter.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The word
brighter.
in your mind is brighter. The bulb will be brighter. So what will happen to the brightness of a bulb if the wire is shorter? Shorter means what? Like if you have a length of this in a circuit. So if you make it less, shorter, so the bulb will be brighter. The same. Okay? The bulb will be brighter. If you have any question on any page, you can ask directly. Okay? Now page 86. On page 86, you have question, list all the things you use when making circuit. Yes, who will answer?
Teacher, me.
No, Mishari, anyone else? Aywa, Muhammad, okay, Muhammad is there. Loi, are you there? Ria? Abdulaziz, Firas? Firas, why you are not answering today? Hala, give me the answer for this question, page 86.
ما أعرف والله شو الإجابة.
What are the parts of circuit? You don't know? في السيركت ايش موجود يا لؤي؟ ما يعرف؟ واحد شيء هنا موجود. One thing you can see here. Battery. بعدين لؤي والله ما في كويس يا لؤي. هذا طريقة مو كويس. Firas, are you there? Your voice is not good, Firas. Okay, Muhammad, can you answer?
Okay.
Components of circuit.
Battery,
Yes.
wire, bulb, and switch on.
Yes, thank you. لو سعد لو انت شوية ركز شوف هنا في جواب موجود. باتري انت شوف باتري بلب سويتش في كثير. You have battery here. You can see here battery, wires, bulb, and you have switch. Many of the things you can use in the circuit like battery, wire, bulb, connectors, ammeter, switch, open switch, closed switch, or motor. So you have a lot of components you can write here. If you concentrate, low in taragis bas. Page 88. On page 88, you have a question. Can you list 3 conductors? Aywa. List 3 conductors. هو توصيل الكهرباء. 3 conductors. من عارف؟ أي نفر? Anyone? Yes, boys, are you there?
Teacher, I know. Teacher,
Yes,
I know.
Mishari, فضل.
Copper, iron, gold.
Ya salam. Copper, iron, and gold. Thank you. So you have copper, iron, and gold. It means they are the conductors which is told by Mishari. Thank you, Mishari. And these are metals. Metals are mostly conductors, good conductors. Okay, so here you can see conductors means which carries the current from one place to another. it can't take, that is insulator. Insulator means that does not allow current to pass through. Page 89, please. Page 89, question number 1, you have which of the picture shows a circuit diagram? Circuit diagram. Diagram shows the one which is straight lines and symbols. In this one is the diagram. This is the symbol of bulb. This is wire. These are batteries. This is ammeter. Look here, ammeter, 3 bulbs. You can see here 3 bulbs. These are the symbols. Wires, so this is the wire. Here you can see the black one. Then these are 2 batteries, and it is shown in this picture 2 batteries. Okay, got it? So you have 2 batteries,
Yes.
and the same is shown in the diagram. Okay, which of the picture is easier to understand? This one or this one? Yes, which one is easy? هذا سهل
Teacher,
ولا
I
هذا
can.
سهل؟ مشاري wait.
Teacher, I can.
Firas, Saud, Abdul Aziz, anyone there?
I'm there, teacher, I'm there.
Yes, Abdul Aziz, tell me, this is easy or this is easy? A or B? ايش السهل؟
ايش السهل؟
This one A or this one B?
Teacher,
No,
me.
B.
This is easy?
Yes.
Teacher, me.
Yes, Saud.
Hey.
A is easy. Abdul Aziz, this
Yes.
is easy for you?
Yes.
MashaAllah. I think this one is easy. Because you
No, I
can
think
see,
3 is easy.
Teacher, A.
you can see Alatul 3 and you can answer. In this you should find where is bulb 1, okay, Phi bulb 2, okay. So here you can see directly, but here you don't know what is the name of this. So here you have ammeter, A symbol for ammeter. So this one is easy, I think.
Okay.
So diagram is easy than the picture.
Mm.
Okay, write down 2 reasons why circuit diagram are used worldwide. यानी في العالم ليش شغل هذا يعني diagram ما في هذا. Why?
Teacher, I know.
Because they are easier to follow as they are not jumbled up. They use symbols that are understood in every country. Yani if you go in any country, the bulb's symbol will be same. It will be same in anywhere. Ammeter, if you write like this, they will understand it's ammeter. Batteries are understood like this if you make it. If you make batteries like this, maybe they will not get it because they have other kind of batteries. But the symbols, yani ishara, symbols are same in any country. If you are in Saudi, okay. If you are Pakistan, India, America, Europe, anywhere. If you go in any country of Europe, they will understand this one, not this one. Okay, Abdul Aziz, now got it? Okay, now page number 92. Okay, on page 91, you have symbols. Okay, on page 91, you have symbols of battery, open switch, closed switch, buzzer, and bulb. As I sent you, this is, you can find this in critical thinking. I will send you the link. Okay, then on this page you have question number 1, which is true or false. Electricity travels through conductor. True or false? Yes. Anybody? Mashari, Luai, Abdul Aziz, Saud.
Yes, teacher, I can.
Yes.
The question.
Is it true that
True
conductors
or
allow
false?
electricity?
True.
True. Very good, Mishari. Thank you. Conductors allow electricity to pass through them. You should answer, Loisat. I will upload this and send this to Mr. Adil also. He will hear that how much time I called you and you didn't answer. Maafi jawab yani. What do we call materials that do not conduct electricity? Yani maafi ro. One thing is conductor, another thing is. Yes, who can answer?
Teacher me.
Yes, Saud.
False.
MashaAllah. I asked one thing is conductor. ايش الثاني؟ واحد conductor.
Teacher, I'm Firas. Can I answer?
Yes, answer.
Teacher, can I answer?
Yes, Firas, فضل.
Insulator.
Insulator. أيوة. Good. So other thing is insulator which does not allow electricity to pass through them. Conductors allow electricity. Insulators do not allow. Like plastic. And conductors allow electricity like copper.
Teacher, I know the answer of number 2.
Halas okay, Mishal. Name 3 good conductors of electricity. Aywa. Who will
Teacher,
give?
please, I can't.
Yes, Mishari, you gave me before. So anyone else?
Yes, it's same of
Yes, the same.
the
Yes, as you told me.
other page.
Yeah. So you can answer. You have a lot of conductors like copper, aluminium, iron, steel, gold, silver, or other metals. So you can answer any 3.
So,
Yes, Hatim. Why do insulators use? Why do scientists use ammeter? This is the question. To measure the flow of electricity accurately, they use ammeter. The use of ammeter is to what we have here.
teacher, I know the answer.
Okay, wait. This was the. Let me just show Mashari. This is the sign of ammeter symbol. If you put this means ammeter in a circuit. Like if you are making circuit, okay, you will make like this. Okay, and here, if you just complete it, okay. If in a circuit you put this signal, this symbol, it's mean ammeter. And for bulb, as I told you, you can make like this. If you see this, it's mean it's bulb in the diagram like this. It will be red. It not will red. It will be white. Okay. So this is a symbol of bulb. So the ammeter is used to measure the flow of electricity accurately. Okay, got it? Next is why is copper used in wire and electrical sockets? Because it is a good conductor. Because it is a good conductor. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, because electricity will flow
Okay.
easily through copper. And other is metals used in wires must have 2 properties. Name them. They should have conductivity, yani conductor. They should have conduct the electricity, and they are easy to stretch, to pull the wires easily. So it's mean you should carry the wires in inside your room. So it should be stretchable, and conductors also. So this was on page number 92. Now on page number 93. Firas, Mishari, Hatim Al-Amri.
Yes, teacher.
If you have any question, you can ask now. This is the last revision for exam today, because from Sunday you will have exam.
Yes, teacher, I have a question.
هذا اليوم
You
في
should
واجب.
ask the answer.
Teacher, I'm
طيب
Firas.
سعد
I have
ركز
a
معانا.
question.
Yes فراس تفضل. Sorry, open your mic again.
Not problem.
Okay.
This page 93 and 92, it will come in exam.
I am
No.
revising with you. Unit number 4 will come in your exam. Unit number 4.
All unit number 4 will come.
Yes, and from anywhere, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
اوكي
Okay.
استاذ اليوم في اختبار
Page
كمان
93. Not today, Loi. What I am telling you, from Sunday, next week. Not today. Today we are revising unit number 4. Rakkis bas, rakkis. Okay, page 93. Question number is write down write down 3 components of a simple circuit. 3 components of simple circuit. Loi Saad, give me the answer. Now.
انسوليتر
لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. 3 components of circuits يعني ايش موجود في السيركت يا لؤي؟ اولا اشرح 3 مرات. What are 3 components of circuit? Battery بعدين ايش موجود في السيركت؟ باتري
باتري
انت علب يا لؤي ولا انت ركز في الحصة؟ انت موجود في الحصة؟
واني موجود
قول والله.
والله العظيم
يعني انت ما في ركز. انا اشرح 3 صفحات هذا كلمات. انا ما في اشرح هذه. انت ما في انا ما في اشرح هذه. هذا موجود ايش يا لؤي؟ هذا كله components. اميتر، واير، بلب، باتري، سويتش. كم مرة يا لؤي؟ اهم شيء انت ما في ركز. انت ممكن شغل ثاني علب ولا اي شيء انا ما اعرف. If you are playing or doing something else, you will not understand. If you don't know components of circuit, this is grade 2. They know that. So there are components of circuit like batteries, bulbs, wires, switch, connectors, ammeter, etc. What happens to the bulb if the battery is not conducted properly? If the battery is not conducting properly, the bulb will not give you light.
Teacher me.
Yes, Saud.
Insulator.
Saud انت ما في ركز. انت ما يعرف سوال. insulator conductor بس. اسمع سوال اول يا حبيبي. سوال what happens to the bulb if the battery is not conducting properly؟ يعني بطارية ما في شغل. انت ما اسمع سوال. If the battery is not working, you will not get light. يعني ما في نور. يعني بطارية خربان انت ما حصل electricity كهرباء. Okay, a person investigates what happens to a circuit when the number of bulbs is changed. The person also changes the number of batteries in. It is a fair test? No, it is not fair test because he is changing the numbers. In fair test, the number of batteries and bulbs and wires, everything should be same. Don't change anything. Draw the symbol of battery. Here you can see on this page. Here, this is the symbol of battery. Sorry. This is the symbol of battery. And I told you on page 91, you have symbols of batteries, bulbs, and everything. Draw the picture symbol of bulb. I told you before, the bulb is easy. You can make it cross and then circle. Draw a circuit diagram with a battery, yani one battery, wire, yani one wire, a buzzer, and 2 bulbs. Okay, this is your Google Drive. I will just show you. Just 1 second. You will open critical thinking and you will get here page 87. Page 87, you have, look. On page 87, you have 4 questions A, B, C, D, different types of symbols. if you see here, this is battery. Okay, كلكم ركز. This is battery, this is bulb, here you have wires. Okay, these are two batteries, one bulb and wires. Two batteries, three bulbs and wire. Two batteries, three bulbs and an ammeter. صح؟ يعني لو انت تشوف diagram انت حصل كل شيء. If you see here one battery, wire and bulb, here one bulb, here three bulb, here you have ammeter and three bulbs, two batteries. So this is easy to understand, right, Abdul Aziz? Okay, on page 87 also you will get, on page 87 also you will get switch open. This is switch open, switch closed, ammeter. Okay, this is motor. If you write M, it's mean motor. If you write A, it's mean ammeter. And for buzzer, you have this symbol. Understood? Okay, you have any question about this? You can ask now.
I don't have any question.
Okay, so conductors allow electricity to pass through them, but insulators do not allow electricity to pass through them. Components of circuits are connectors, bulbs, battery, wire, switch, motor, ammeter. Okay, so this is the basic. If the battery is not working, the current will not flow. If wire is broken, current will not flow. Okay, then if the battery is not connected properly, any connectors are not working, the bulb will not light. It's mean it will not work. So symbols of the battery of the for components of circuits are used everywhere in the world. So that is easy. Conductors are copper, aluminium, iron, steel, gold, silver, and other metals. And insulators are clothes, plastic, rubber. These are insulators from where the electricity does not pass through them. Electricity travels through conductors and electricity does not travel through insulators. Okay, this is it for today. If you have any question, you can ask. Thanks for joining. Goodbye.
مع السلامة.